Okay, I'm going to be making some cookies. I'm going to show you a couple methods on how to do it, how it's done. And basically what you do is you put your dry ingredients in. And these are all my dry ingredients. I've got some AP, some all-purpose flour. I have whole wheat flour. No, I'm sorry. I have whole wheat flour. And I have just a little bit of sugar and a sweetener, which is the brown sugar. I have some pepitos. I have oats, rolled oats in there. I have sunflower seeds. Oh, those are a little bit. I'll make sure that your brown sugar is crumbled up enough to dissolve into the mixture. And then over here I have bananas and egg. So basically what I'm going to do is turn this on. Pour in my dry ingredients, pour in my wet ingredients. And then instead of using oil, I'm going to use some nut butter. You could use cashew, almond. I've used the almond. Almond works real well. I think I'm going to put some raisins in there, the cranberry raisins. Instead of the raisins, I'm going to put raisins. Put those in there. Alrighty. Mix that up real well. And I think I'm going to end up putting a little bit more flour, because there's a certain texture that I want. It's because I didn't have any coconuts. Go ahead and add a little bit more flour. There, turn that off. And you can alternate your oils with some nut butter instead. Okay. Preheat your oven at 375. Make sure you have your lined parchment already. It's slightly oiled. Okay. And then I think that's done. I'm going to do some without the sesame seeds. I'm sorry. I'm gonna do some without the semi-sweet chocolate chips, and I'll do probably half, and then I'm gonna do the other half without them. So for those that don't like the chocolate, now you have to be careful. Some people are allergic to the nut butter, so then that's when you could use the almond or cashew butter instead, or you could just stick with the oil, regular oil. Okay, put that aside. Take that out. Okay. And I think you can see what I'm doing. as I put that on there. Sorry. I don't think you can see. Okay. So you have to have a, as soon as I can find it, I'll show you. I thought I had it out, but I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Okay. Making some slow cooked beans here. Just want you to see that real quick. And you just kind of scoop out. This is a 1.5 tablespoon. And then you just kind of put them on your sheet.